Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn CSS in a very practical way. We are going to try to complete some CSS problem in the CS Battle website. For those who have not heard about this, CSS Battle is a competitive environment similar to HackerRank and CodeChef where people can improve their CSS skill by solving all the problems. Please make sure you subscribe my channel and let's get started. This is our first problem. The left pane is our actual output. The expected output is in the right pane. You can see that we can slide over our output window to compare with the expected result. This is really convenient. Let's start with the code. Since the body of the page is set to a different color, we can change that first. Now we can change the properties of the div tag. Let's change the background color of the div first. And now we can set the margin of the div. Now we can change the width and height of the element. Let's start with the 300 pixels. And it is not matching. So let's try 200 pixels. Now it seems like it is almost perfect. And also we can remove all these comments. Yeah, and that is all. Let's go and submit our solution. We got 99.3% match, and that is not bad. This is our second problem. First, let's create two span elements. And then two div elements for each span elements, so that we can have two rows of elements. Now coming to the styling, let's start with the body. Change the background color to the given color. And for span element, choose display as flex and direction as row. And also add justify content as a space between. So that we can have equal space between the elements. Now for div, add the background color. And now add width and height as 50 pixels for each div elements. We can finally add the margins to the span elements. And it is almost perfect now. Now let's submit our solution. We have got 99.3% match. That's not bad. I hope you guys like my video. Please check out my previous video on how to contribute to an open source project by showing my own pull request to a real-time project.